In our food culture, pork liver is a widely used ingredient. But the most detoxifying organ. Can pig liver be dirty? Are there any parasites in it? Today we're going to look at it under the microscope. Let's take a small piece of fresh pork liver and place it on the pig. Use a pipette to gently drip a drop of saline. Moisturize pig liver. Place the pick on the stage of the microscope. Adjust focus and lighting. Ready to start observing. Pork liver looks very clean overall. There is a little hemoglobin color. Pig liver is rich in protein, fats, vitamin A, vitamin B and iron, zinc and other nutrients. It has the effect of nourishing blood. Helps prevent iron deficiency anemia. Vitamin A is good for the eyes. After zooming in, it looks like this. Still no sign of the legendary parasite. Common parasites that may be present in pig liver include cysticercosis, liver flukes, etc. This has a lot to do with the environment where the pigs are raised. Pay attention to choosing fresh pork liver. Clean thoroughly to remove blood and impurities. Pork liver has high cholesterol content. People with hyperlipidemia, hypertension and coronary heart disease should eat with caution. Avoid eating undercooked pork liver to prevent infection with parasites. Some people say that pig liver is a detoxification organ of pigs. The toxic heavy metal content is too high. Can't eat. Generally speaking, a healthy liver will metabolize toxins from the body and expel them from the body. As long as it is quarantine-qualified pig liver, it's not a big problem. Eating pork liver can improve the adaptability of human eyes in relatively dim environments, but it doesn't prevent myopia. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in microvision, you can follow me. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.